Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beautiful chocolates. We'll begin by understanding the critical role of ingredient selection, focusing on high-quality cocoa butter and chocolate. Then, we'll delve into the art of tempering, a non-negotiable step for that perfect shine and crisp snap. You'll learn the precise temperatures needed to transform simple ingredients into stunning, professional-grade confections. Get ready to elevate your chocolate-making skills to an entirely new level. Tempering is the single most important step for beautiful chocolates. First, melt your chocolate to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring all crystals are dissolved. Next, cool it down to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, continuously stirring to encourage stable crystal formation. Finally, gently rewarm the chocolate to a working temperature of around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature curve ensures a stable, glossy, and snappy finished product every time. Once your chocolate is perfectly tempered, it's time for molding. Start with impeccably clean, dry molds to guarantee a brilliant shine and easy release. Pour the tempered chocolate into the molds, tapping gently to eliminate any air bubbles. Scrape off the excess, creating a thin, even shell. After the shell sets, fill it with your desired ganache or caramel, leaving a small gap for the final chocolate layer. To finish, cap your filled chocolates with another layer of tempered chocolate, scraping it smooth and flush with the mold. Allow them to set completely in a cool, dry place for at least 30 minutes. Once firm, gently invert and tap the molds. Your beautiful, glossy chocolates should release effortlessly. Store them in an airtight container at around 65 degrees Fahrenheit to preserve their exquisite appearance and delightful snap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.